Good. And we will go to our first restorative. Yes. So have your pillow or your cushions there. Yeah. We will go to a child pose. Yeah. Now have your pillow and then have another one pillow or blanket. So if you need, we will go to child pose. Yeah. So Elaine, just in case the first time that you do this, yeah, once you go lying down on your pillow, yeah, so the pillow is between your knees, but it's not beneath your bum, yeah. If you feel, we will put the head, one cheek on the pillow. If you feel that the head is hanging, that is not comfortable, we can put a block beneath, by block or the pillow, another blanket. And if you like, you can put your blanket, depending if you are nice and cozy, no, but if you feel, you can put your blanket on your back, yeah. And we try to relax here, yeah. So nice and back with your hips. If at any point it's too much for the knees, we can lie down on the belly, extending the legs back, yeah. Good. So we soften there. Try to spread your spine even here, yes. So you want to have that same action that we did on the last pose, yes. So you open your belly, you open your solar plexus, your chest, and then the head, yeah. And then you soften completely, relax into the bolster, into the pillow. We keep imagining that violet light above us. Now, in this position, we have the support of the physical support of the pillows and the bolster, the support of the planet. And imagine already creating that cocoon that we talk always. So imagine a cocoon around you, a circular shape or egg shape all around you, like an extra cushion of protection around you, an energy field. And imagine the cocoon also violet. Yeah. So a nice cocoon around in color violet. Imagine the light coming from above, connecting into the cocoon. Imagine that this light enhance and strengthen the walls of the cocoon, forming like a filter of violet light. And let your body relax into that cocoon, receiving the violet light from above. Is cleansing, is melting, dissolving your tension, your stress, your worries, your fears, your cares, your concerns. And let the roots take that for you. The planet take it for you. And in your next breathing, you receive that energy, cleanse, pure, renewed, all up again to yourself, plus all the nourishment that the planet can offer to you. Yes, so imagine that you breathe in even more energy that you release, yeah, with all the qualities that you need here. So you breathe out the tension and you breathe in the energy from the planet and the energy from above, that violet light. And you ground yourself into that pillow, into the floor. Imagine those roots nice and strong. Yes, so you are closer, more closer physically to the planet. Imagine that you are grounding yourself really strong there, that you imagine your roots nice and big and chunky and deep. Yes, so nothing can move you. You are strong in the strength of the planet. You share the same strength, the same power, the same energy. So imagine that you are becoming really one with the planet. So you can enjoy the same strength, the same power, the same energy. And then slowly, slowly, without moving so much, we will change only the head. We will put the other cheek. Yeah, we will move the other side to bring balance to the neck. And not forcing, just allow the neck to get used to this side. Keep imagining yourself grounding deeply, your cocoon around you to keep you safe and protected. Each breath out, releasing your tension, your stress, everything. Yeah, the light and the cocoon is helping you to melt away your tension, and you are receiving that energy renewed, refreshed, plus all the nutrients, all the nourishment that the planet has to offer. Good, and then slowly we will move the head to the center, and taking your time, we will expand up. Yeah. Good.